Tired of hydro bills that just keep going up, but solar seems too complicated? Not sure where to even start? Well, don't worry, because we're here to be your guide through the entire solar process. Our goal is to make sure that you get the maximum return on your solar power investment and the fastest possible payback with a process that's easy, simple, and risk-free. Everything begins with a quote. To get started, we really just need to know two things. One, what your typical energy usage looks like, and two, what your goal is. Based on this, we'll select the right type of system to do the job. Once you get your quote, one of our advisors will work closely with you to formalize plans and work out more of the details. This step includes things like deciding on panel placement, overall system size, and potential future power needs. With the system details matched to your specific goals, it's time for you to choose how you want to move forward. We'll help you consider all the options that fit your budget and timeline. It's all about finding the right solar solution that's the best fit for you. Once you're happy with the system, budget, and timeline plans, the next step is a $500 risk-free deposit to get things moving. What do we mean by risk-free? Well, it means that your deposit is 100% refundable if, for any reason, your permits, applications, or approvals don't go ahead. You get every dollar back. No pressure, no risk. After the deposit, our design and engineering team gets to work. We'll configure your solar power system specifically for your home and energy needs. Your design will provide the optimum layout for your solar panels, the right battery storage capacity, and will consider potential expansion of the system to allow for growing energy demands in the future. This step typically takes around 1 to 2 weeks to allow for thorough review and any necessary adjustments to the design or component selection. At the end of the day, it's all about getting every detail right so the system will deliver exactly what you need. After the design and list of equipment have been finalized, you'll get a complete line diagram detailing the installation plan for your solar power project. Once the system design is finalized, we move into the permits and materials stage. We handle the permit applications, approvals, and get all the required equipment sourced, packaged, and ready to go. We don't cut any corners and are 100% thorough to ensure everything is complete, accurate, and exactly as expected. There won't be any surprises when it comes to permit approvals or insurance coverage. Our office and warehouse here in Barrie, Ontario consists of over 7,000 square feet of capacity. This is where your system will be carefully collected and packed before it begins the journey to your installation site. We're proud to offer local Canadian support for our customers. The permits and materials stage can take around 30 to 60 days, depending on your local utility and municipality and how fast permit applications are typically processed. Solar Power Store can also help with rebate and incentive applications. That means taking advantage of incentive programs and rebates that apply to your installation. We'll make sure you receive all eligible incentives, so your solar system is as easy on your finances as possible, and you get the fastest possible payback for your money. When everything's approved, we can move on to the most exciting part, the installation. In most cases, installation of a typical solar power system takes between 1 and 3 days. If you choose a turnkey solar solution complete with installation services, our experts will come in and handle the mechanical and electrical installation of your system with precision and accuracy. From the moment the equipment gets off the truck till the final flip of the switch, you can be confident that your solar power system will be installed right. You can also choose to go the DIY route, but this doesn't mean you're doing it alone. Solar Power Store offers expert support for DIY installations every step of the way. Need help configuring your inverter, or maybe guidance on how to assemble the ground mount for your solar panels? We're just a phone call or email away. No matter what you need, we're here to help keep you on the right path. Whether you choose a DIY or turnkey solution, you'll receive lifetime access to Solar Power Store support. Simply call our toll-free number at 1-888-421-5354 to connect with a trained support agent working within Canadian time zones. Alternatively, you can easily book a scheduled tech support or system commissioning call at a convenient time of your choosing through the contact page on our website. After installation, it's time for inspections and commissioning. This stage includes final inspections, system testing, and making sure everything is operating safely and exactly as intended. Safety standards in Canada are quite strict, which is a very good thing. When you choose Solar Power Store as your partner, you can trust that your entire system, right down to the smallest detail, will be 100% compliant with all Canadian standards and safety regulations. Once it's complete, your system is ready to start generating clean, reliable solar power for your home. One thing that really sets Solar Power Store apart is flexibility. We can be as involved as you want us to be. If you want us to handle everything from start to finish, we can do that. If you'd rather take on certain parts of the process yourself, we're happy to handle only the parts that you want help with. This process is designed entirely around you. So that's what to expect from the Solar Power Store process. We're here to make your transition to solar power simple, easy, and risk-free from the very first step. If you're ready to get started or just want to talk through the different options, reach out to us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.